Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today I am going to try something new. I recently purchased these acrylic markers and today I am going to try these for the first time. To see me painting with these, let's get started with this video. So first of all, let me start with quick sketch. I am drawing lips in the center and dividing the rest of canvas in different parts. I purchased these markers for a reason. From past few weeks, I was watching a lot of videos in which people were using this kind of markers, and I really wanted to purchase these. For this reason, I wanted to get paint in the nib by repeatedly knocking it on the hard surface. I really like this thing. So, it looked so fun to me, so now I am doing this. Guys, it looks fun in the videos, but in reality, knocking all the markers is making my hands feel pain. Cause on an average, these markers are taking 40 to 70 knocks to get paint into the nib. As I have 12 markers, so my hand is just like on fire now. I am not going to show you this same process for all the markers separately. Okay, and I am ready with all my markers and let us start painting or coloring. I don't know what to say because we are painting as well as coloring and drawing. As I have placed my canvas vertically on the easel, so I am getting very less paint in the nib. I need to knock again and again after some time to get paint into the nib. But if you have put your canvas on the table horizontally, then it will make it more joyful to work with these, because these are really very nice acrylic paint markers. As I'm in the habit of using brushes, so I am struggling with these. When we use brushes, we can cover a big portion of canvas just with one stroke of paint. But here, I have to put hundreds of strokes to get same result. So, I am losing my patience and this is really difficult for me. But I can't deny that these are really providing good coverage and finish exactly similar to the acrylic paints and brushes. After finishing the lips and teeth, I have divided my canvas in some portions. In all the parts, I am going to draw different things. The first thing that is coming in my mind is chess-like pattern, so I am going to draw a grid and fill color in it alternatively. After doing this, let me make rainbow. Actually, this is not exact rainbow because the sequence of colors is different here. So it is just a random strip having many colors, but it is similar to rainbow, so it is providing similar kind of vibes to us. Now I am going to draw cow pattern near this rainbow. This cow pattern is looking like python pattern because these black patches are really closer, so this is not looking cow-like pattern. Anyways, it looks nice. Now it comes to my favorite part. Guys, let me tell you, I always have nightmares. In my nightmares, I see myself running and I see visions of ghosts and UFOs or many scary things. I have also painted one of my dreams in which I am meeting aliens. I will show that painting to you in one of my next videos. I don't know why I have such kind of weird dreams. Maybe I have weird imagination or I can imagine things differently. But painting a UFO in this is really making me happy because this is really my kind of thing. By the way guys, do you believe in aliens or not? Let me know. Now I am thinking of more magical things. What kind of magical things are coming in your mind? I am am thinking of magical mushrooms. Yes, from all our fantasy movies, let us paint mushrooms. I will finalize these later. I am just painting the background of these mushrooms. Later on, I am thinking to paint some stars and bubbles or some kind of magic balls here also. But I will finalize these later. As we always see some kind of radio-like devices to catch alien signals in our movies, so why not to paint radio along with the alien UFOs? So I am going to paint a radio here with random patterns around it. I am painting radio also because these lips are really providing me some kind of musical vibe. What do you think? Everything that is happening on this canvas is just random thoughts. What kind of vibes I am getting, I am just going with that. Now I am going to finalize all these three portions. I love adding details to my painting, so drawing the bubbles near mushrooms and going to draw star-like patterns near the sun-like magic ball. These things are really cool, guys. Now I am running out of ideas, so I am thinking to paint different colors strip in a part and will think later what to paint in it because I don't have any kind of thoughts left. I don't know why people say that we always have many thoughts in our mind, but sometimes I think that I don't have any thought. I am just blank. Do you feel same? I feel this so many times in a day. Oh, thoughts, please come back to me. I don't want to stay blank, please. Oh yes, one thought is coming. I am thinking of a cactus. So let's draw cactus having cute little flowers on it on this canvas. Now guys, I really want to paint cactus on a really big canvas someday. While going on work, I always see cactus on roadside and I always wanted to paint that, but always due to time shortage, I can't do that. One day I will make that happen for sure. I am really big fan of cactus on roadside. I am going to draw random pattern that is coming in my mind around everything in the painting. I really love to add details in my paintings, as I told you earlier. Now I am feeling like I need to draw eyes, so I am going to draw eyes-like pattern in the last white portion which is left here. It is really looking very beautiful, guys. Let me provide more details to all the parts and outline the lips. So guys, the painting is now ready. I just took this picture from the internet and recreated this painting and it is really looking beautiful, and I also loved these markers. This video is not sponsored, but I really enjoyed working with these markers and I am too excited to paint more artworks using these. What do you think about this painting, guys? Do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel because I'll keep bringing such amazing content for you guys, and there are a lot more art videos that are waiting in the row. So subscribe my channel now and press the bell icon to meet me in the next video. I'll meet you there. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing, and thank you so much for supporting my channel.